Hello, this is David from ERDU Lighting. Today, I would like to introduce our 10mm magnetic check systems to you. And I would like to compare the 10mm and the 20mm systems. So, take a look at the connectors for the 10mm. This is the connector for the 20mm. Half size only. And the power supply. This power supply for 20mm and this one for 10mm. And we have different powers, a little bit longer. And we have recessed surface installation as well. For the floodlights, grill lights, only half size of the 20mm, more slim. We designed 3 CCT for the lights: cool white, natural white, and warm white. Warm white, natural white, cool white. And we designed 2 buckles here to lock the lighting fixtures inside the reel. Contact me to know more about OEM and ODM service.